Seeing his best friend and doing nothing, not an option.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
There you go.
Be careful, buddy.
Hi, are we hungry?
Córrele, cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door.
Everybody, thank you for being my followers. I love you.
Nothing can stop the spirit of youth.
This is Belle.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Ding.
Bath time. Apparently, this pup thinks bubbles are the best invention ever.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Looks like an angel was sent down just to brighten our day.
Me, Gypsy, all I want from you is your tears. Please give them to me or I will take them.
Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Go. Go.
You are a fox. Phony.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact? Oh.
Would you stop? Franco. Franco.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Hey. Hey.
steal my phone? Did you?
Even the most impressive working dogs started out as clumsy little puppies.
Puppy.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
A simple test for food lovers. Let's see how long your self-control lasts.
Hey, what's up?
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Are you serious? Come on, it's a kitten, move!
Sometimes having the same coat color is all it takes to become instant friends.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Dave, te estás chingando mi. I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Kermit.
What it's like having an XL bully.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Fish flew right above you, huh?
If you own this puppy, your floors are never staying dry. Two troublemakers are always better than one.
No. You're evil. 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 Oh! Can you read this? Oh my god!
Is your cactus your best friend?
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
You get that? Careful.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Wait, so you do know how to buy toys on your own?
Вот чем заняты наши детки.
Why are you still peeing? Magna! No! No!
You wanna eat? Okay, calm down.
I'm so hungry I could eat pagagwa.
Cat pet you.
Oh, she ain't moving.
No, she is not.
say Merry Christmas?
You can't come that way. You always fall. Come here. You gotta use the steps.
Fun fact, cats can jump up to 6 times their own height. Every dog owner knows one thing. Socks are a puppy.
It's okay.
Belong in there.
Can you read this? Oh my!
He just flew right above you, huh?
Who says cats and dogs can't be best friends? Right in the middle of having fun, then suddenly you remember what mom said.
That is way too big and stick. Oh gosh. Hey! Oh, nie zobaczyłem! Ej! Oj.
We made it past midnight. You tired? Let's go to bed.
Friend, oh hello! Hello! What are you doing?
Are you happy, Kermit? I am too.
What do you want? You want a treat? Oh man. Oh man. Go.
Hello.
Hello. You want to come over? No.